Who am I gonna call? Alex. Alex. I don't think he shoots models anymore. Oh, Paul Buseda. Yeah, I can forget that one. I don't have that bikini material anymore. Nope. Shh, those are 20 years old photos. Well, I guess I will have just to shoot it myself. I guess with my Canon M50 and my cell phone. That's right, today's video will be all about creative selfies. Nothing like those quick selfies. And you, my friends, you will be able to participate as well. Well, I guess I should get ready for the shoot. Oh, no, this is my everyday life. This is not YouTube life. Let's really get ready. Well, now I am ready. For those watching my channel first time, my name is Zdenka Darula. I'm a photographer. I'm a former model and a few other things. I make fun vlogs and tutorials, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Are you ready? Well, let's get on it. At it, with it. You know what? Let's just go. Let's talk about all the items you will need, and that's this camera, Canon EOS M50, in my case, sitting right here. You will also need a tripod, you will need your cell phone, natural light, and of course, if you use it, one of those continuous lights, such as this one. So let's just throw it in the package as well. Before you put that camera on a tripod, you first want to pair it with your phone, you want to connect it to your phone so you can see the whole scene and yourself, how you pose and change the setting the way you like it, and then you are ready to press the shutter button right on your phone. So grab your Canon M50, press Wi-Fi connection button on the side of the camera, which will take you to Wi-Fi setting in the menu, and select enable, set OK, press the phone photo. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and download application called Canon Camera Connect. Once you download the application, just follow the steps, it's very easy. Once you pair your phone with Canon M50 and set up your Wi-Fi connection, you are ready to have some fun. My Android phone, which is Samsung Galaxy S6, is all set up. The next step for you would be enabling timer on your camera, Canon M50. So let's get going and set that up. Hit the menu, go to shooting settings, hit OK, and you will find page 1. On the page 1 you will see drive mode. There select self timer 10 seconds. Now you can set it for 2 seconds, but actually I prefer 10 seconds because that gives me enough time to hide my phone, get to the pose I want before the camera takes the photo. Well, let me show you how it's done. So first I'm gonna set up my camera on a tripod and I make sure the setting is correct. You guys can take photos in automatic mode if you're starting out. For me, I prefer manual, so I set everything in manual mode. Then I press the Wi-Fi button on the camera and I hit the Camera Connect application, and obviously I'll wait until it connects, and then I select Remote Live Shooting. Here you can completely tweak whatever needs to be done, and once I am ready, I just get myself into the pose, keep checking on the phone to make sure I like what I see, if my pose is right, if the lighting is right, press shutter, and there we go. I have 10 seconds to get ready, hide the phone and shoot. And then I just check the results and I keep shooting until I'm happy with the result. And you know, the same thing happens when I'm taking a photo of myself with cell phone. I set it somewhere, I hit the timer in the regular camera application, which is already on the phone, and since I don't want to run back and forth, I have this phone little chill with me, which is a remote. It's very cheap. You can get it on Amazon. I linked it in the video description below. It's paired by Bluetooth with your phone, so I just hold it in my hands and I press shutter and done. Technical part of selfies explained. Now let's get to posing. Now we can all do much better than the cheese selfie, right? When it comes to posing, we have to play with our facial structure and with our body shape, with whatever we've got. When I take photos of my face, I just pose in different directions. There is one basic for all though. Most of us deal with double chin, so all you have to do now is just remember my grandma's joke she used to tell me when I was little. When you're in a city and you ask an old lady, "Excuse me, what time is it?" She will tell you, "I'm sorry, I didn't hear. Can you please repeat it one more time?" Now, when you go to a village and you ask an old lady, "What time is it?" she will say, "Huh?" So this move, "huh," is exactly you need to get rid of the double chin. Just stick your head out and smile. You got it. Well, my grandma, she knew it all. One more tip when it comes to posing your body. Square is no fair. Because most of the women want to look slimmer in the photos, and when you pose straight on the camera like this, you're gonna look bigger. So all you have to do is twist your hips and you are done. Always twist your hips. So that's it when it comes to taking selfies. Now think outside of the box. I've seen some cool photos of photographers online, so I tried myself this one with the lens. Here are samples of what came out of it, and that was actually shot in my studio on a black background with this continuous ring light I'm using for the videos, and I just pointed it straight down at me, a little bit from the side. Then I tried on the ground photos with my gear, and I even tried some outdoor shots as well. Well, now that you've seen my photos, it will be only fair for me to see yours. Well, you don't have to. No pressure. Only if you want to. It'll be kind of nice. Being said, this video is the first task of creative series of videos, which I will be making here. Pretty much in each video, I'm gonna be teaching you something cool and creative with your camera to develop your eye and creativity a little bit further. Let's just call it ZD Camera Challenge. And the best and most interesting and most creative photos from you, I will feature in the next video from this series. Obviously, first task of this series is creative selfies, so come up with something cool and creative. It can be different mood, it can be interesting prop, interesting location, interesting lighting setup. Once you are ready with your photo or photos, you can upload it to Facebook group, which I created specifically for this video series. It's called the ZD Camera Challenge. You will also find the link in the video description below. Or you can, if you want, upload it to your Instagram and use a hashtag ZDSelfie. How much time do you have? Well, I think 2 weeks is just about enough time. What do you think? So that's it, my friends. That's all for today's video. I hope you got entertained a little bit and you liked today's video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more videos. If you have any questions and comments or simply want to say hello, please do so in the video description below. You know, I read them all and I will respond. So thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao, ahoy!